Hey everybody, it's Mr. Larson again with another quick instructional video. I sent out a link earlier today with instructions to sign up for Khan Academy if you haven't already. So this would be a parent would use their email to sign up for this. So I'll just walk you through the process start to finish so that you'll know what's happening. What you'll do is you click on the link, it brings you to a page that looks like this. You would go create new account. Now I've emailed quite a few people who already have their kids have accounts, so they have their information to get started. This is for anybody who I haven't emailed who doesn't have an account. Okay, so plug in your birth date. I'm making up a fake person, so we'll go May 12th, and we'll say he was born in 1988. No, that seems weird. 2000. Okay, then we'd sign up with an email. I'm gonna use a temporary email right now just to do this. First name, oopsie. There we go. First name would be Skeletor, last name would be Snake, and you come up with a password. Sign up. Okay, so it'll go through this. You will get to this screen. So you click onward. Under courses, it'll ask you to pick a grade level. Now this is just for extra stuff if you want the kids working on things. This will provide extra things. I'll be assigning assignments and we'll get to that in just a minute. But if you just look here, you'll see you can choose. So for example, if your child was in grade 6, you could say grade 6. You would say I want them to work on math and grammar in grade 6. And we would continue with 2 courses. Now again, remember, this is just extra. So once this has happened, you are in my class. You are in my class, you are set, you are golden. What I would do here is I would refresh my page on my teacher end. So I would see your name pop up. It would be here immediately. I would get a thing saying update assignments. I would click update. And then either you'd have logged off by this point or you can just refresh the page because there's no saying on when I'll get to this. Refresh your page. Now instead of under Mr. Larson grade 6-7, you'll see assignments. You click on assignments and right there is all the stuff I've assigned to the kids. I've set a due date for it. I'll see all the updates on how they're doing on it and they can just click start and start moving through this. Now if you're working on packages only, just on paper, I'll be sending home assignments that are going to work on similar skills, so it won't be exactly the same, but it'll be close. All right, I hope that answers any questions anybody had, and you are all having a delightful evening. I miss you all, and thank you to all you parents. Like I already said, you guys are rocking this, and I am so happy to be working with you. So take care, everybody, and I'm signing off for tonight.